Hello. Yeah, buddy, it's that time again. Please grab your spiral that you would be doing your notes and homework in. And no, the crazy math teacher has not forgotten about homework. At some point in time, we will be doing homework. Just haven't gotten around to it yet. But for today, grab your spiral for your notes. We will be working on lesson 1.8. We will continue focusing on functions. And the key for today, we're going to talk about the vertical line test. Identifying if a graph is a function by using the vertical line test. Guys, do not write this down. This will just be a quick review. We talked about looking at our tables or our input-output tables and determining whether it was a function. And we said you need to look at the domain. Nice. Bears. Or the input or the x's. Bears. And look and see if the domain repeats. 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. Since my x's do not repeat, yes, this is a function. Again, do not write this down. Just watch. Look at your domain. Notice that the input repeats. So since the x's repeat, this is not a function. And the same with example number 3. Look at your domain. The x's repeat. This is not a function. Alrighty guys, I'm going to ask you grab a piece of graph paper and please copy this graph on a piece of graph paper and then staple it in your spiral. Notice when you're drawing your graph that the intervals, nice vocabulary, you know what's coming, bears. The intervals or the numbers that they are counting by, they're counting by 2s. Alrighty. First strategy to tell if it is a function would be to write out the ordered pairs. So I'm going to start at the origin, 0, 0, and I'm going to go straight up. This point would be 0 since I did not go to the right, and I went up 1, 2, 3. So this would be 0, 3. So over here on your paper, please write 0, 3. If I continued to write down the ordered pairs, I would go 2 to the right and then up 2, so this would be 2, 2. So on your paper, here is 2, 2, and then the next one, we'll do it in a different color, would be 2, 4. If you were to write down the rest of the ordered pairs, this would be 4, 1 and 4, 5. So on your paper, make sure you have those ordered pairs. Now, the old way of testing if it was a function would say look at your x's. I have a repeater here and I have a repeater here. I cannot have 2 King Xaviers in the same kingdom. They will go to war and fight, so this is not a function. But I'm going to show you a new way to figure it out, and this only works if you have the graph, and it is a lot quicker. It is called the vertical line test. So you might want to write on your spiral the vertical line test. And while you're doing that, I'm going to erase this gobbledygook. Okay, the vertical line test says you draw a vertical line that goes up and down, and you see if it goes through 2 points or 2 ordered pairs. So right here, it only touches 1 ordered pair. But if I slide it over, you should be able to notice, that's correct, Mr. Phillips, I have hit 2 ordered pairs. If the vertical line hits 2 ordered pairs, it is not a function. Again, if I were to slide it over here, you should be able to see Mr. Phillips. The vertical line hits 2 ordered pairs, so it's not a function. In other words, the x's repeat here, and the x's repeat here. See, we had a 2 and a 2. There's my 2 and a 2 for the x value. Here, a 4 and a 4 for the x value. Now, do not get confused, because some of you will try doing this. You will try and say, it only goes through 1 ordered pair, only goes through 1 ordered pair, only goes through 1 ordered pair, only goes through 1, goes through 1. This is a horizontal line. If you're going to use this trick, that's correct. You need to use a vertical line, up and down. So again, this is not a function because the vertical line passes through 2 ordered pairs at the same time. It passes through 2 ordered pairs here, and it passes through 2 ordered pairs here at the same time. Vertical line test. Okay guys, let's do one more. Same directions. Copy this graph on a piece of graph paper and staple it into your spiral. Notice again that my intervals are 2. So copy this on a piece of paper, staple it into your spiral. One strategy for seeing if this is a function is to do the same thing we did on the last problem. Write out your ordered pairs. So if I start at the origin, I went right 1 and up 1. So this ordered pair is 1, 1. If I continue to do that for all the ordered pairs, I would have 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, and 5, 1. One strategy, look at your x's, look at your domain. I do not have any x's that repeat, so yes, this is a function. Or you can use the vertical line test. Vertical line test says draw a vertical line up and down, see if it touches 2 ordered pairs at the same time. It touches 1 here, it touches 1 here, touches 1, touches 1, touches 1. So yes, this does pass the vertical line test. This is a function because the vertical line does not pass through 2 ordered pairs at the same time. Again, don't get confused, because some kids last year would say it passes through 1, but Mr. Phillips, it passes through 2 at the same time. This is not a vertical line. It is a horizontal line. You have to use a vertical line when you do the vertical line test. It has to be a vertical line. All right, guys, that's going to wrap another power-packed Phillips podcast. Keep up the good work. Woohoo! 18, come on. I know 2 more of you can subscribe. Look at that, baby, 112 hits going viral. I only have 2 toes left to count till we get to 20, so make sure you subscribe. See ya!